Today, we're gonna walk you through a 2-bedroom, 2-bath here in Water's Edge. Water's Edge is right across from Eastport in the Villages, Florida. Come on in. Gotta love the landscape. This is a corner unit lot. And we're gonna come right into the concrete driveway. It's a 1.5 car garage. Right to a patio. This could be screened in if you so choose. Let me give you a wider angle, I think it would help. Yeah. So nice there. Let's go inside. Inside, yeah, wide open. So a nice little entryway here that's lit. Recessed lighting really all over the house here. Consistent floors. Right into a kitchen. Peninsula right there for a couple stools for a sit-up bar. Stainless steel appliances. Again, sink looking right on into the neighborhood. Let's take a look for you. There's gas here, meaning a gas stove. Let's go take a look at the spare bedroom. All right, right into the spare bedroom. Good sized room. Excellent for a queen bed. This one doesn't have a fan, but it could be adapted for a fan. Great closets here. As you can see, knockdown ceilings, double window, gives plenty of light. This really has its own bathroom here. Look at this, huh? Looks like vinyl, one-piece tub, tile on the floor, vanity that matches sort of that espresso looking color. Recessed lighting, just really nicely done. All right, let's continue on. You could have your TV here. Just think of a huge widescreen with your seating area, with your backs to the lanai. I'm gonna show you the lanai, but before we go there, let's go into the primary. Primary again, double windows, recessed lighting throughout the home. Just to your right, you're gonna have a walk-in closet. Nice LED light, just well lit. Then you're gonna enter into your own master bath. Again, same shower configuration. Here's a closet inside the bathroom. That's nice. Again, you can put your own decor and tile floors. Again, very much matches your guest bathroom. All right, hey, let's head out to the lanai. I think you're gonna love it. Come on. All right, look at this lanai. Wow. All glassed in screened with a door. So painted concrete floors. You got your TV access. You got your power out here. Again, you're on a corner unit with an outside slab. Check it out. Great for grilling, or if you just want to sit out there, let's go out there. Oh, perfect. What a nice pad here. It's nice and quiet here. The property is going to go out just about, if you see the backside of that island, if you took it right there. So again, nice little spot. Landscaped, give you some separation, some Florida beauty. Again, there's that corner unit. You got a street light, which is nice at night. You got some power, water back here. You got it all here. This encasement is really, really nice. And as you can see at the moment, I mean, it's roughly about almost midday, and you are not direct sunlight. This is on the north side of the house. All right, hey, let's go to the garage. Before we get to the garage, washer and dryer here. It's really convenient. It's gonna be a closet for you. Yeah, all the organizers there, all the shelving's there for you. All right, here's the garage. Yep, perfect. So I'm gonna say a 1-car garage or a 1.5, because you can put the golf cart over here. You'd put the vehicle on this side. You have all your communications, your irrigations here in the white cabinet. And I always check my 220s. You have plenty of breaker storage. Everything is labeled in this home. Here is your hot water. It's currently off. So this is how you adjust your hot water up and down. Here's your water shut off here in this home. Nice reinforced door. Has room for pull down stairs. They're not there today. Utility sink is here, which is always great to have. You want to wash your hands, maybe golfing or doing whatever you're doing. Your high efficiency carrier unit. Looks like it's been serviced, excellent. Oh, some extra tiles. Yeah, they left some extra tiles and some linoleum flooring. That is always nice in a home like this. Gang, let's go for a wrap-up video. All right, you made it to the end. This is a really nice house. This is about 13 months new. So it is literally, everything is brand new from appliances all the way through. So I am at the address of 7462 Savannah Drive here in the Villages. Literally, if you drove straight out from the main road of Eastport, we are the Villages right across. You literally can walk to Eastport, which is the newest part of the Villages if you're not from this area. So if you want to be by the new homes, the new sections, typically it's a younger crowd, but not always the case. This is a 1,134 square foot, really beautiful home. 2-bedroom, 2-bath here. Stainless steel appliances. It is really gorgeous here and super convenient. Oh, on a corner lot, right? Somebody paid extra for this home when they bought it new to be in the corner lot. Recessed lighting, again, all these things are in addition to beautiful sinks that you would see. It looks like granite countertops with under countertops, stainless steel sinks. All the appliances are stainless steel. Again, 1.5-car garage here, just to kind of summarize. There's a $40,000 bond as of today here. Not uncommon for this area. So we can talk about bonds, or you can see my blog at your 352 Bubble blog. It's not all about the Villages, but it's about 90% of the Villages. You can read about the bonds if you're not familiar with it. Obviously, you can always call. My wife and I are more than happy to walk you through what a bond is here in the Villages or other places. There's other 55 plus communities with bonds. So we'd walk you right down through that. Super easy for us to do that. Again, if you're interested in this home or any other home, take a look at our blog. You can see our website. It's jimandtammyhomes.com. Again, that's Jim and Tammy Homes, all one word, .com. You can search by village, which is really great, or more importantly, we put them in sections. So if you're looking for Eastport, you can search there. If you're looking for Spanish Springs or Brownwood or Lake Sumner Landing, all of it, you can go right to that section and we've got the homes for you, whether they're rentals or for sale. We have both there. So take advantage of it, because some people may want to rent, or you may want to rent before you buy. We want to make it really easy for you. We also have some other 55 communities on our website outside the Villages. So it's not like we're all Villages. We service from Ocala, which is on top of the world, if you're familiar with that. We have all the homes there, all the way down to Leesburg in Route 27. So again, My name is Jim, your 352 Realtor. I hope you liked the video. If you're looking for a home or you're looking to list a home and you see this video, call us. My number is 352-492-1699. I can't wait to show you the next one. Have a great day.